Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Camcorder. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Animdreti 4K Video Camcorder. It can block excess light, protect your camcorder lens from accidental damage and improve the photo's overall color and contrast. Number 4. Vetek Video Camera Camcorder. 4K camcorder has a lens hood, can block excess light, change the color and contrast of the photo and protect your camera lens from accidental damage. External microphone can eliminate and reduce noise during the recording process, improving the stereoscopic sound of the sound. Number 3. Panasonic 4K Ultra HD Camcorder. The Panasonic VX981 4K Ultra HD Camcorder brings simplicity to the 4K recording experience. It adds in-camera editing solutions that can enable anyone to capture and produce content without complex software. Number 2. Canon Camcorder 4K UHD 30p recording. Genuine Canon 4K compatible 20x optical zoom lens and wide 29.3mm angle of view. Advanced Full HD. Intelligent 5-axis image stabilization. Number 1. Sony HDR Camcorder 4K resolution. In addition to Full HD, filter diameter 62mm, minimum focus distance approximately 13 by 32 inch, wide approximately 39, 3 by 8 inch tele approximately 1 cm wide.